What up, y'all? It's your boy CKid here, man. In today's video, I want to share with you guys the two leather loop AirTag cases that you guys can get. Now, I did do a video here recently where I just talked about the new Apple loops that you guys can get. These are more of like the, not really silicone, not really sure what material this is, but just talked about these, showcasing all of the colors for those. So if you guys want to check that out, I will link that down in the description section below. You can watch it right after this one. So without further ado, man, let's go ahead and hop right into it.
So I picked up a white AirTag, never lose things that I had lost, that I had left back. Wish they would have made it in space gray or that matte black, but this is where we at, squad, we here, now let's chit chat, see. It's the features that sparking my curiosity. I put it on my keys on my wallet, that's how you finding me. I pop the app open, find me the reciprocity. The pricing for that 4-pack's 100, the generosity. Thanks for that 50K sub count, yeah, we hit champ. Same swag vibe, just check the look, I had to revamp. So let's get this video cracking and get the details. Like, subscribe so you never miss a fly unveil.
The AirTag Leather Loops, they come in two different color options that you guys can get. You can get it in either the red or you can get it in the tan, kind of the normal leather loop. Now this red here is the product red color that you guys are familiar with. So let's go ahead and open up the first one here. So we got the AirTag here. As far as the material, it doesn't feel bad. Feels pretty good. You're getting a really thin piece of leather for sure. Definitely feels good. This is what the leather loop is going to look like. This is the back side of it. So let's go ahead and put the actual tag on the inside. Boom, lock it up. This is what the front side looks like, and this is what the back side looks like. I ain't even gonna lie, I can't believe I actually got the Apple logo to be in there straight without even looking at it. Let's go ahead and put this in here. Now it does tell you to loop it this way, but I found out that there's another way you can do it, or you could actually do it like this. Follow Apple's instructions. But you can do it like this and just clamp it down in here. All right, there we go. And just like that, you're good to go to put all of your keys. This one looks pretty good. All right, so the next one here that I gotta show you guys is the AirTag Leather Loop in the tan color. And then here is the brown leather tag. Now I will say it is a little darker here than it actually looks on the box. Wish it was just a slight bit of like a, because the box looks like it has like a gradient vibe to it, like it's lighter at the top and then gets darker as it go down, but that could just honestly just be the lighting. This is the front side of it. Here is the back. So let's go ahead and prop in there one of the AirTags, drop that in like so, boom, close it up. There you guys have it. There's the front side and there's the back side with the Apple logo on it. And we can go ahead and put this around. There is the leather loop tag. Now, honestly, when it comes to both of these, they both look good, but if I had to choose, now that I've actually seen them in person for myself, I would probably go with the product red color. I think the product red color in itself looks the best to me over like the tan brown. I just wish this one was just like had that gradient effect that it shows on the box. But all in all, they both are actually good. Now, I will let you guys in on something though. Now these here, I believe these retail for about $50 or so out there on Apple's website, but I did find a website called the Apple Nest. They are actually selling these loops that you guys can see right here up on the screen. These are more like the silicone ones. They actually are selling these for only $15 out there on their site. That's where I personally go when I'm choosing these, because as you guys know, I'm a huge fan of third-party Apple Watch bands, that type of stuff like that. So anytime I don't have to spend what Apple charges for their bands, I always go and try to find an alternative for it. And the applenest.com is the place that I go for them. So I highly recommend you guys check that out. I'll have that link down as the first link down in the description section below. But all in all, guys, that's pretty much it. That is the Apple Leather Loop Band. If you guys have any questions about them, go ahead and let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks again for watching. See y'all in the next one. Squad.